What's going on, everyone? Renee here with Awaken Creators. Now, today is going to be a special video. I'm actually going to be doing something special. I'm going to be answering a question from one of my Patreon supporters. This question was, how could I receive money very quickly from the universe? That's a very, very good question. And I have had a few videos before that talked a little bit about this, but I'm going to go ahead and answer it again with proof, my own very own proof of how I just found miraculously $200 on the floor. And no one claimed it. It was mine. It was just like a miracle happened, I swear. But first, I do have to thank everyone because right now we're almost at 1,600 subscribers. This is very amazing to just be a part of the YouTube community. Not only that, just to provide information and knowledge and to share this value with you guys. It's my pleasure. And I thank you guys for the subscribers who subscribed already. And to the majority of those who watch my videos, at least 70% of those who watch my videos are not subscribers. But that's okay because you guys still watch my videos, so you guys see my face, you know who I am. Thank you guys very much. This one is for you, and I'm going to teach you how to receive money very quickly from the universe, okay? So let's go. All right. So again, I'm going to be teaching you how to receive money very quickly from the universe. I'm talking about within the next, few days, within the next week. You're going to see exactly how fast the universe can provide for you in such pure abundance, okay? Now, again, my proof with this is I found $200 on the floor. Just miraculously one day, I was looking on the floor and I found it. Boom. I put it in my pocket because nobody else seen it. It was just me. I waited for a few days to see if anybody turned it up because I would have done the right thing and gave it back, but nobody said nothing. It was literally like, I found money on the floor. Nobody said nothing. It's mine. It has to be. I waited 48 hours. Nobody has still yet to claim it. So I miraculously found $200, but it's not luck at all because I know how I did it. And I'm going to share with you guys how I use this technique to actually find $200 on the floor randomly. And believe me, it helped me out a lot. Of course, it's $200. I'm sure you guys would love $200, wouldn't you? I'm sure definitely $200 will help you guys out a lot. So listen up then if you want to know how you can find $200, maybe $300, $400. It all just depends on you, okay? We all know in order to increase financial abundance, you have to change your energy frequency toward money. Everybody has a negative frequency if they don't have enough. Because of that frequency, guess what? The universe is going to provide to you and say, yes, you don't have enough. But we have to change that. And I'm going to show you guys how to change that so quickly, so effortlessly throughout the day. You're literally going to be changing your frequency like that, okay? So listen up, guys. I actually first learned this from Esther Hicks, so I'm just sharing this technique and I'm just sharing you the information to show you with my own positive proof that this does work, okay? So then what we're going to do, guys, is while you're walking, while you're commuting, while you're at work, wherever it is that you're going, look on the ground to find pennies, nickels, dimes, sometimes dollars, $20, $50, $100, $200, maybe $3, $4, $5. I promise you guys, if you continuously look on the floor and not only just pick up the change that you see on the floor, but you wholeheartedly pick up the change and you're like, wow, this really just added to my bank. I'm so grateful. I'm either a penny richer or a nickel richer or a dime richer. And just thank the universe and just be grateful that you found that penny, that nickel. Now for me, of course, it was a bunch of pennies, nickels, dimes I would find on the floor, some quarters, sometimes even dollars. A bunch of times I found a bunch of $20 on the floor, believe it or not. But you see, it trained me and it trained my energy and my frequency to be positive, okay? Do you know how lucky I have to be in order to find $200 on the floor? You have a better chance of going to the corner store and getting a scratch off and hoping to win $200 off a scratch off. At least you can go to that destination, actually have a good chance of winning some money. This, you have to be at the right spot at the right time, looking down at the right time. It's just crazy. At any little moment, you guys have to understand, any little moment, my day-to-day decisions could have just changed and altered, and I would have missed it. It wouldn't have been mine. But you see how my subconscious got trained, and it automatically put me into the right path of that $200 on the floor, okay? So again, you guys pick up these pennies, these nickels, these dimes on the floors. You pick them up, you're so grateful for them, you keep track of them. I have a book bag full of these pennies that I find, these nickels on the floor. And believe it or not, I mean, it helps me. When I go to the store, I use it, of course. I get money, I spend it out. Not only when I find money, a good thing that I do is when I see, homeless people on the side or people asking for money, I try to give the money because I know if I want to receive more money, then I need to be a source of it to other people, regardless, whoever it is. I choose them because I know that, a dollar for them can literally be, a french fries and a good meal for them for the day. A dollar to me is just like a bottle of water that I, take for granted every single day. But for them, it's amazing, to have a dollar, $2, $3, $4, whatever I can give. It's a continuous cycle of receiving, and I'm also giving out my energy, okay? I'm giving back to the world. This is how my subconscious got trained into automatically autopilot into the direction of the $200 that I miraculously found on the floor. So if you guys want to find $200, $300, 4, 5, 6, 7, however much you want to find, I'm telling you to be grateful for the universe, be grateful for the money that you already have. Look for the money on the floor, and I guarantee you in a few days, a week, maybe in a month, just depending on how you already are and how your frequency already is at this very moment. It all just depends. Some people can have a longer time doing this. Some people can have a shorter time. Me, it took about a few months to receive, the $200 that I found. But best believe in between those 2 months, I was finding money on the floor, like dollars, 20s, Oh, it was great. And I was grateful, believe it or not. So I'm sure I'm going to find even more in the future because I continuously still look at the ground for the pennies, the dimes, and nickels, okay? So guys, I'm telling you guys, use this very much throughout the day. This is going to help you, get that free money. It's free money. Find it on the floor. If no one claims it, it's yours. Find it on the floor. If no one claims it, it's yours. All right? Should put that in a t-shirt, huh? All right, guys, this is Renee with Awakened Creators. Please don't forget to check out the Neville Goddard live stream that I have going on 24 hours throughout the day. Subscribe because I'm trying to hit a goal count of 5,000. But again, if you don't want to subscribe, hey, that's on you. I'm good. I'm content where I am. I love everybody, and I'm still going to give you this very valuable information. Thank you, guys. This is Renee with Awakened Creators, and I just want to help you make your life easier. Have a great day.